Okay, we're gonna unbox the Alien Sunshade for the Gladiator full. You want to make sure that the Alien logo is pointed in the actually in the rear side of the Jeep. When you actually look at the bungees, we have 12 8-inch bungees that are going to support the sides of your Alien Sunshade, and we also have two bungees for the front, the T-bar bungees, to help you install the front, and we have a white installation toolkit. Okay, we have the Alien Sunshade unpacked. We're now going to take the front of the Sunshade, and we're going to grab the T-bar bungee. We're going to slide that through. You want to make sure the T-bar is actually on the inside. Then we're going to take the installation kit. This is going to help us grab the bungee on the other side. We're going to slide that right over the visor. You'll see that the actual white strap comes through on the other side. It's going to help you grab it. You can move that visor out of the way if you want. It's usually best just to grab the visor, get it out of the way, and you'll see right there you can grab the bungee. Now you can remove the strap. Okay. And now you want to stretch the bungee out, find the T-bar, and you're all set. Now you want to repeat that process for the other side. Okay, we've installed the first two on this side, and we're now going to go to the other side to remove some of the tension. We're going to start with the top left. We're going to take the rest of the bungees that we have left. We're going to stick it through with the bungee ball on the bottom, and then we're just going to strap it across, get a really nice stretch, and find the bungee, strap it across. Nice and secure. I'm going to repeat that process now for the rest of the bungees in the front. The key here is to stretch out the bungees as much as you can while you're pulling it across the bar. You'll notice the first time you install these, the bungees are tight, and it will require some effort on your end. We want to make sure that the bungees are tough and are going to last, and they're not going to become too stretchy over time. So the first time, you might have to really stretch and pull, but they will definitely become more flexible the more times you install them. Okay, we're going to install the last bungee on the front now. Same process with the bungee ball on the bottom. Pull it right across, get a nice long stretch. Find the ball and secure. Awesome. You can now just stretch it out here if you want, just to align it and stretch it out a little bit. These bungees will move if you want to readjust. Okay, we have the first half of the full sunshade installed. You'll notice here that these two openings are supposed to actually go over these clips. It's a little bit difficult after you install the first half, but once you install the back, you'll notice it'll stretch and it will cover those slots. So we're going to start with the right front corner now in the rear. Okay, once you are moving to the back now, it's recommended to start with the right corner. It'll help you remove some tension, and it makes the rest of the slots easier. Going to pull it across. Nice and secure. Okay, so we're going to move now to the right to the left corner. Okay, we're going to jump over to the other side. Sometimes alternating sides helps because it removes some of the tension. It makes it a little bit easier. We're going to stretch it across, find the bungee ball, strap it. We have one more, or actually two more on this side. Same process, find the ball, strap it across. Okay, last one on this side. We're going to bring it right around, find the bungee ball, strap it across. Awesome, we're all set with this side. We're gonna move over to the left. All right, we're gonna install the last two in the back now. Same process again. The first time you install these bungees, you want to stretch them out as much as you possibly can. Wrap it around, you're all set. We just have one more now in the left. Okay, you're gonna install the last bungee right here, and you're all set. Okay, And now your Alien Sunshade installation is complete and you're all set. Enjoy.